me go ahead and slow on down now, though. But no, we good regardless. Just setting up everything on the YouTube stream right now. I know I ain't doing nothing for at least the next 4 or 5 minutes, so I got a little bit of time. Quick ass breakdown just in case. It's about to be position time, but it looking like it's just gonna run, which is always good. Which it does. This is a crazy fall in a 30-minute candle. I wonder what happened. That is a 648 pip fall. Imagine catching that. Imagine being on the wrong side of that. That's when it started getting nasty. Just that drawdown. And it's people like Nick who be holding them like swing trades, and he just sitting in that. I'm like, bro. But on a chance that it goes right.
You just gotta place it and walk away.
Alright, got everything set up. And then I gotta make sure my copier is set up correctly. I be having so many things to set up before getting going.
You have to touch TRADECOPIA every day?
Every day you gotta like reset it. Gotcha. It's not really so much a reset. Well, I guess it is. It's reconnecting everything. So you gotta reconnect all your accounts. So it'll send you to TradeAvate, and then you gotta basically reconnect.
Gotcha.
And then it'll bring you to this screen right here. You gotta sign in. LTT. Connection successful. Got a couple more to do. And one more to do.
Come on, 3 minutes.
What'd you say?
I said, come on, 3 minutes.
Man. Come on, man. We got to the last one. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Connect. 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 2 more minutes. At least one more PDF file. All right, bet. And then, like I said, I went down on my risk. Like usually, see, I'm gonna be trading ones. So since I'm only trading ones on my lead account, which is I need to get to 3,000 in the next 3-4 days, I got 2 multiplier meaning 2s, 3 multiplier meaning 3s, 2 multiplier meaning 2s, and 3 multiplier meaning 3s. I'm not trying to go much higher than that, bro, right now. I'm just trying to keep it simple. Take about 25 to 30. About 25 to 30. But anyway, I'm all set up now. So, oh, technically one more thing. But anyway, daily been pushing. Like it's been doing all damn year. 4 hours, finally starting to turn around, but we broke this high and now we're coming back down kind of into a support area right here. And at the end of the day, this can be a down wick for it to continue up. But as y'all mostly know, I'm trading off of the 30-minute and the 1 hour. So I can obviously see a support right there. First target will be probably into here somewhere. Long targets will be probably down into these wicks over here. Then I go to the 30-minute and I see we damn near got a position opportunity. It's just it's lesser than I would want it to be right now, especially with this area right there. If it would have closed like higher up in here, I'd been more open to trying to take this down. But now we done ran just even from this support, right? Yeah, bro, like 80 pips. So it's not terrible, especially considering even on like the 15-minute, it did close below. It did close below everything, but you just got support area right here where it rejected out of already one time. So it's early in the day. It's not a terrible move, anticipating that volume can take you down if it breaks this low. But I think that I may wait, considering just in this last 15-minute candle, this candle has already dumped 190 pips. Because now, if a candle can close back above this, I would anticipate it doing what it did right here, But if it just keeps coming down and down and down and down, I probably will wait on a sell like under here, anticipating it coming down into this. But now that we just basically like, yeah, you can use this as your most recent support, but you also can say like, this is a support, which is why it's rejecting out of there, which is why I respect it right there. And I'm on a 15-minute time frame right here. So I use all my time frames basically just to make a story up. It damn well could break that low and keep going, but I know that I'm being very meticulous with the moves as of late. Just trying to take one A+ setup instead of every little thing I see. But in the words of Tonio, let's see what it would do. 1 and 2. Something like this. Like down into here. And my theme music a little too early. So yeah. Let me see what it does. Like I said, it might break and go. But I just, with a very small top wick and then with us just coming down this hard, I'm probably just gonna like chill for a second. Say yeah, so there goes 28 real quick. Pulling back a little bit. Probably will go stop loss or break even if you didn't take profit. Yeah, it's a lot of volume right now for sure. A lot of volume. I missed that luxury. Man, what? This is the type of move I need when I'm in it. 40. Quick. Feeling like Antonio. For some reason, I just don't love I never have loved a 9-pip top wick on a 30. It just don't really bode well for me too often. With my luck, I get in that shit and then start pulling back to make a taller top wick. But it did close below on a 15-minute. I seen a support right here. Right there. But it's definitely filling it on out though. Kind of right into this area. So, not a bad move by any stretch. Not a bad move. But like I said, there's so much time left in the day. And let's see, I think the daily just flipped. Yeah, the daily just flipped. Like, yeah. There's a lot of opportunities today. This volume is crazy. And then so this is like a kind of a sell idea, but I'm gonna go ahead and move these down. Maybe like a sell under here. Anticipating for it to fill this, which is a fill of 50 pip range under there. Long target's probably like this wick fill right here. My buys actually will be like a fake out idea because I'm gonna move these up. I cannot believe gold is running like this. Anyway, we see it tapped into this support. This should start closing back above. Let's see, where is it at? If this should start closing back above like here, I would anticipate, which is the resistance. I would anticipate that it does this again. So we'll see. First target's probably somewhere like there. on target's probably somewhere like here. So support. You could even move it down a little bit if you wanted to, but it depends on what time frame you're entering off of. So if you're entering off the 15-minute and you're expecting volume to continue to take you down, you'll probably be fine under there. And then I would use this as my support that is acting as a resistance, because when it closed back above there, it went. Will it do the same thing 3 times? Ultimately, the direction of the day is still bullish. So it's moves to be caught either way, but we'll see. I got my faithful 6 on the stream right now. Everybody else ain't woke up just yet, bro. They ain't ready.
I'm just glad we got some ranges to play with.
Yes, sir. Like I said, I would have loved to catch this after a closure below the most recent. But man, it just be throwing me for a loop when we done already ran down 180, 190, and then it's gonna go with a 7-pip top wick. But like I said, volume though, the volume was there, and that's all that really matters. But I'll catch something though. I got good faith. Good faith. I need something just like this. Closure below, fake out, wick down, the actual wick down, entry on the break at the high, take it on right up. That is the textbook fake out. So easy. Like, bro, it's not getting any easier than that. It need to happen during my session. Closure below, closure back above, entry on the break of the high, 115-minute candle, pretty much 95 pips. But we'll see. Antonio, you sitting in plus you sitting at 90 pips one day?
Yeah, one day.
God willing. That's the only way. That's the only way we're gonna hit for $100,000 trades, bro. $50,000 trades, unless you're just trying to raise 25K, 30K just to make 40, 50. Ain't no way. I can't wait to just put that stock to break even and say, whatever happened, I guess. Have at it. Trusting that volume. I was looking earlier I think before you hopped on, this 115-minute candle at 1:30 a.m. fell 575 pips. Why do I have a feeling that this wants to keep rejecting hard? But if it close below, let me try my little hand. But Raj, you know what's another good thing about me going down on my risk, bro? Is that I'm just not, my heart ain't beating. It don't got to beat no more while I'm in a trade.
Yeah.
Bro, it's no fun when you in that bit like, man, I got 8s running over there. I got 10s running over there. Like, bruh, I'm keeping it simple. Like I said, I got 1s running on my per dia capital accounts, multiplier of 1s. I got my Tradify accounts. All I got to do is reach 3,000 on those. So I'm going to try to go for 2s for 25 to 30. I got my Lucid trading accounts. I got to make 4,500. So I'm trying to go 3 for 25 to 30. And then I got new accounts, 50Ks where I got 2s running and 100Ks where I got 3s running. So I got to get to 6,000 and I got to get to 3,000. So I'm gonna just see how it ends up when I look up at the end of the day, I guess. But what I'm not trying to have do is like last week of just that first loss, because bro, you don't have to. But if you size up, that means you went from a 4 to a 8. Bro, that shit is not fun.
Yep.
Not fun. But yeah, so I got how many accounts now? 22 follower accounts, 1 leader account, and then my top 1 futures account. So I got 24 accounts.
I'm slowing it down too.
What'd you say?
I said I'm slowing it down too, but if it would have closed
Yeah, bro,
above
just slow that shit down.
41.64, yeah, I would have.
Man. Bro, you talking about 1-2 for minus 17 and you just back against the wall for no reason.
Yeah, bro.
WWTD, what'd I say?
It's about to close right here.
If it closes just like this,
That's perfect.
like I said, I ain't gonna be scary twice. Cause I do see this support right here, which I always talk myself out of shit because I'd be like, I don't want it to reject out of that support, which is also this support to the left right here. So you see this whole support right here. If it could close a little under it, I would take it. But if it just keep closing above stuff and then breaking lows, I ain't gonna jump the gun. Not on my first day back, not on my first day on these accounts. Like in a perfect world, woulda, coulda, shoulda took this one because it closed below the most recent. But I gotta stick to my rules because it damn well could have easily just rejected out of here and continued up the way it did right there. And let's see how big of a pullback. See, like technically speaking, if you would have tried to get in there and it would have pulled back on you, even up to this top wick is 25. So I can sit in negative 25, but I'm really not trying to. Really not trying to. Thankfully, like I said, I took my risk down where negative 25 ain't too dire, but I still gotta just manage my risk. Let's see how this 845 candle closes. Oh man. Dude, I just look up from my phone and I see a rejection.
Looking like a fake out.
And this is the 1 hour candle rejecting out of this support. If it doesn't close above this right now, then I'll wait until 9. Because if the next candle closes bullish above, even though the 1 hour candle will be closing bearish, the next candle you can get on a break of the high, anticipating that yes, it might come down in the long term, but it could just be catching the top wick. But we'll see though. We got 2 minutes before this candle closes because we could be talking about all this shit. 1 minute candle just rushing down. Okay, 5 minutes. Come on, man. Give me one and done. One easy one. One easy one. Roger, you going once. If you were to take a loss, you might have to go micro. But a one, I mean, if you doing what you're supposed to be doing on a one, then you should be straight though.
Yeah, I'm
managing risk, good or bad, like minus 15, minus 17, like you still got another trade or two to get right.
Yeah.
But like Tonio, when he take a loss, it'd be over with, champ. He'd be like, well, I guess that's my one.
Terrible.
He said, that just frustrated me. that
Nah, for real.
That should be having me so weak. He said, that just frustrated me. All right, chat. If I can get a closure just like this, and I get a top wick, I may try my hand. Because right now, the technical stop loss will be all the way the fuck up here for 120 pips, 115 pips. But I don't need much. Anticipating that price is going to come, I guess, fill the rest of this range on out. But you got a support right there. Does that worry you, Tonio? Does that worry you, Roger? That support right there?
Nah, I think volume should do it.
Yeah, not right now.
Not right now, all right? Because with the 15 coming down the way it's coming, if I can get a top wick, then that's good, because now it's pulling back a little bit. If I can get a top, let's see, the 5 minute by, okay, 5 minute by the close bearish. Okay, let's see what the closure looks like. I'm only going with a one lot on my per dia capital. So that did close below. Let's see if I can get a top wick. Let's see. if it just flips off of this, that's only 14 pips. That's only 19 pips. I wanted to break, just keep breaking up. Is that enough? That enough? 20?
20 should be good.
That's
That's it
good
right there.
enough. All right.
You put on the current candle or the previous?
I gotta do current candle. The previous, it'd be hella crazy.
That's still a little,
Yeah. Let's see if it goes or if it just starts like faking out though. With this 5 minute pushing away is pushing. I have a sell stop set, but it's 50 pips, bro.
Yeah.
So if I gotta wait till 9, I'm cool. Cause like with the price action of this 15 minute, it's looking like it might start going up if it is indeed rejecting out of here. But if it starts coming down, it's gonna at least fill this wick right there, which is right into that support right there. So we'll see. It's a 50 pip stop loss, y'all. It's a 54 pip stop loss. So like, y'all know, if y'all know anything about how we manage risk, mine is about 15, 20. That's over with me, champ. But I'm just taking a 1. Like I said, I'm going down on my risk a little bit this week. Let's see. 54 pips. Even if this 5 minute candle can get us in. I got too much shit going on here. Ooh. Man. Ooh, that's a crazy liquidity grab, bro. Right after getting that top wick. If it flips now, after grabbing all this, I do not see why we are doing all, like why we would have to go back up. Let's see. Oof. All right. Come on, God. Please be with us. So entry, break of the current candle low after price closed below the most recent support right there.
Order
Stop filled.
Aim. Let's see. Dragging this down. All right, I'm in. Ooh, come on. Minus 13, minus 12. Come on now. I seen it got me in profit, but I ain't do much yet. Let's see. I'm minus 10, 12, 17, 18. If they jump up, I'ma just cut it. But I'm still in though. I'm still in. I'm still in. But if it, oof, come on now. Come on now. I'm still in. Come on, man. Minus 10, minus 9, minus 14. Come on, man. Keep flipping off on that phone. Come on now.
Come on, man.
Please. Did you cut it, Tony?
Nah, I'm still in here.
Damn. Come on, man. Just keep on doing this crap, bro. Not this week, man. I can't deal with it this week. Not this week, please. The price action is right.
Yes,
right.
you can.
Yes, you can. Come on now. Come on. Damn. Let me restart the song just so we can get a little brief.
Let me restart the song.
Damn, man. I'm just trying to get nothing crazy, bro. Like, come on. I just seen minus 20 to turn to plus 10 to minus 10. Like, come on, man. Minus 20 again. What are we running into? Anything?
I mean, it's not even tapping that support that you identified.
That's what I'm saying. And I think long term is gonna go. I just don't know how long I can hold it. So we got 30 seconds for this 5 minute closure over here. And if this 5 minute, honestly, if it closes bullish on the 5, I don't know. All right, be quick, y'all, because if this 5 minute closes bearish, it just might get going quick. All right, 5 minutes just closed. It might make a top wick. It might just come down. So be mindful. If it starts breaking lows, be quick. All right, that's 10. All right, be careful, be careful. Ugh.
I don't know
Come
why it's
on,
getting
man.
held up right there.
We keep getting held up right there. All right. Up 10 again. Come on. If it breaks that low again, I think we should be good to go on down. I seen 13, 15. Come on now. Push, 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 push. 15, 17, 20. Oh, damn. Ooh.
Come on. Keep it going.
Come on now. I ain't asked for too much. We just hit a yellow line. I identified that off of that's a 1 hour support right there. Oof. No. That's that 1 hour support that I identified right there.
Yeah.
So be careful.
Yeah.
I want to think volume's gonna take it there, but I don't want to take a loss after seeing that 20. It's moving around a lot, y'all. I'm gonna be smart here. I think
Big
it's gonna break
profit.
again and go.
There
All right,
it
seeing
is.
20 again. Seeing 20 again. Seeing 20 again.
Give me a move.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. What
It
is
might
going
respect
on?
it. I'm not gonna lie.
I ain't gonna. I'm telling you. That's why I'm kind of like,
You seen
Come
24
on,
times.
What'd you say?
Said you seen 24.
I did. Are you you're out?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna be smart over here. I'm mostly focusing on these accounts because these are my prop accounts. I gotta start my song over again. I'm trying to get 30, but I just don't be stupid trying to be greedy.
Who said that? Wait, who said that? YouTube chat.
Come on, man. Push. Ugh. Oh man. No. No. Damn, I don't want to sit in this full drawdown. No. Come on. Roger, you still in or you got out too?
I got out like
Damn.
5 seconds ago.
Bro, what? I'm still in. I'm trying to be on my Jamal shit. If it can, but what am I chasing
No,
at?
Jamal is out.
Trying to, damn. All right, if I see minus like 30, I gotta cut it. Damn, y'all. Whoever's watching chat, use me as a fucking example. I'm still in.
Yeah,
And like you said, Tony, I seen it. I'll wear it. I seen 30 or not 24, trying to chase 30. The price action is still good though to go down, but it's like you said, it's respecting that 1 hour support.
Yeah, it is.
Damn. And this is on me. I gotta wear this one. If I take a loss, I gotta wear it. Cause damn, come on, Goldie. Because I think the price action is gonna continue down, but I just can't sit in the drawdown.
It's about to give you another chance right now.
One more chance. Do I want to? Come on, please. I don't like begging. If it re-break that high again, though, it's probably gonna get going up. All right, there we go. Come on. But see, what's funny is if it breaks low again, it's probably gonna get going. All right,
It's probably gonna get going, yeah.
It's gonna get going if it breaks low again. All right, one more push now. 13. Damn. I just feel dumb being in this still, is all. That's my main issue with it. Let me start my song over one more time. How many minutes I got until? Let's see, I can't even look. 16, 15. I got 15 seconds until this candle closes.
You talk about it feel dumb. I'm mad that you went in on this pre-live account. I'm not mad that you went in on the other accounts.
Oh. All right,
Pre-live,
5-minute
that's
candle
easy
open.
period.
5-minute candle open. Scene. Come on, man. Finish it out. I'm trying to do better about holding my positions, but yeah, like you said, I think it is, but I don't got time to guess.
Because I would have been out.
I've
been out.
I think you should hold it.
Yeah, of course
I think you should hold it.
I can't. Like I got 24 accounts running, but I'm 10 pips away from what I want. I seen it again. Come on now. It's obviously a reason we keep stopping up. What'd you say?
That's my strategy. I said take the money, run, reposition.
Yeah. Let's see. That's what
25.
Because it's still rejecting.
It is.
That's the third time.
It's the third time. I'm close it.
Order filled.
That's it. I have to. I'm not going to keep playing with the same thing over and over. It don't make sense.
You saw 25 that time.
Order filled.
Exactly. So I took on 50 and took on 50. So it's probably going to go ahead and do it. But like you said, reposition. I mean, it's about to do it now too. Watch. But there you go.
There you go.
Or close to it. But like what you say, Tonio? It ain't no point, bruh. It ain't no point. So across all accounts, made a little 2,000. Might as well be break even. It's cool.
Brandon is better than taking a loss. Nah, he's right.
Because seeing that 20, then it's probably close to where I would have needed what I got.
Man, I told you on this account right here, the pre-live.
This one, 25 to 30,
bro.
huh?
Yes, bro. You withdrawing every single day.
But I'm not thinking about this account though. I'm literally not even looking at this account while I'm in. You'll notice like I'm literally over here staring at this one. I ain't even looking over here. I think I would have just hit 30. Yeah, I'd have got my 30 right there. I woulda, coulda, shoulda. Plus 1,100 better. He said I'm out. Good job, everybody that caught it. I'm still around, but that's what I was not gonna do. When I seen 25 turn to negative 20, I was like, man. And then I'm hearing Tonio talking about that's 24.
I'm just being honest.
Yeah, like I said, it's not even that I'm looking or like it's not even like I'm thinking. I'm just literally looking at these accounts over here. So like I'm not even thinking about this one. But I feel what you're saying though. I'm just not even looking.
You did say you going lower risk right now, right?
Yeah, exactly. Like I only had 1s and 2s running. Like I made $50 on 5 pips. I made 50. Right there. Like I didn't. So with that being said, and it's funny though because it's an interesting battle you have with yourself when you are deciding I'm gonna do one thing or the other. So I was thinking about doing high risk for 20 pips since 20 pips come so easy, but I also know how I be feeling when I'm sitting in drawdown at the same token, and I can't, like, it don't make sense if I'm not willing to sit. Like the way I was just sitting in negative 23, 24, I was straight because I only had 1s and 2s. But bro, it's a different story when you running 8s and 6s, like. Man, but like Jamal said, it's gonna be another opportunity. It might be another opportunity like now if it closes below this. But if it respects it, I'm gonna need a 15-minute closure under. So let's see.
It'll be the 1 hour, 4 hour making the new lower low.
Mm-hmm. It closes right here. There you go. Now I want to make his move. Well, it's funny. Melinda said, you should hold it. Melinda, I got 24 accounts running. I can't holding it get you sad. But nah, the move was there. It just kept
and watching gold. If you can withstand the drawback, it'll push.
If you can, that's the only thing. It's a if. It's definitely a if. But what I don't want to do is have plus 25 turned into minus 30 when I'm only going for 25 to 30. That's the only thing. And I told myself I was going for 30, and that's just the battle where you get to 25 and it starts playing around just a little bit. It's like, what you gonna do? And it almost got me out the paint. 1, 2, 3 times I couldn't do it. So it's respecting. Look at that. Top wick, Tonio. After rejecting out of this support. Damn, where's the daily low? Oh, the daily low is 41.05. We still a little ways from that. Look at that. Easy work, man. Yeah. Easy work. Imagine catching an entry like up here. That's the move. But yes, Melinda, I always tell people, if you can have the wherewithal to be able to withstand those pullbacks by risking the correct size, is great. But I just risk a little bit more just because I scout for the most part. Antonio, I really like this. But I ain't gonna take it. But like that's my old move right there. Respective support all the way over here.
That's my old move.
Man. That's my old shit. But if I ain't willing to take it on every account, I can't be willing to take it. Damn. Jesus. Jesus.
Man.
It's what you know the direction. It's just, are you getting the best entry? And that's, unfortunately, I just didn't have the best entry with how we projected out of here 3 times. Damn, I want to take this little buy up. I know it's been a flipping buy. Did I try it on my pre-live, Antonio?
Man. You know, that's my type of play right there.
Man, trying to feel that, bro. After you just rejected out of here,
that's my type of play right there,
bro. And let me see something. Because you got no stop loss though. Whoever looking at it, you got no stop. But if you take the flip back up, then you should probably come up, feel this, which is already 11, 12. Then it come up into this support right here, 21. And I only need about 20, 25 more pips today. Roger, are you done for today? I don't know if he still hear you.
Nah, he is.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to debate, should I be doing? Should I try for these $60 or not?
Take a two micro for 30. So you made 240 on a one?
Mm-hmm. No. I made.
Why can't I take your advice?
Listen, I made 240 on a 2. I told you I'm not playing around.
Oh.
I'm not playing because I'm like, bro, it's hard to just sit and watch 240.
Bruh. All right, I'm looking at potentially doing a buy stop on the break of that high right there. Anticipating that after we done opened up with no bottom wick, that we should just get going to make a top wick. Now, it can be dumb fast, y'all. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, that, when it makes that top wick, it gets going quick. So that's just an idea I have. If this 5-minute candle closes like this, I don't know. But if it starts really rejecting back after rejecting out of a 15-minute support, 30-minute support, 1 hour support, 4 hours still open and still hasn't broken the low of the previous 4-hour candle. So this is just an idea, but like I said, if it starts just running off too much, I'll probably delete. Bro, that 2 for 12 is crazy.
I mean, to be honest, bro, I really don't have a choice unless I'm trying to max out. But in my mind, I'm not really trying to max out. Like, I want to max out, but
I'm trying to max out, and that's what messed me up. I only took home 5 pips when I could have had 24 pips.
Because now I'm just looking for 20. I feel like I'm being greedy when I'm asking for that extra 6 or that extra 4.
I'm telling you, so you losing 19 by asking for an extra 6.
Yeah, bro. So I don't know.
I mean, I'm listening to Jamal, and he was right. He was like, bro, just cut it, reassess. And I'm like, you definitely right. And it moved, but I would have had to sit in that little drawdown again. Like, bro, no, I'm not doing that. And that's how you get that little head tap.
I mean, you've been sending trades for a long time.
Yeah, that was a little bit long. That was the only thing.
8 minutes, 19 seconds.
Yeah,
the one that got me to the promised land was 8 minutes and some change.
Yeah, 8 minutes and some change.
Okay, this is 20. Oof.
But ain't no telling how that thing gonna swing all of 8 minutes, you know?
All right. I might, You didn't get me in yet.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Oh my God. All right, it was quick. Ooh. Gotta be fast. Let's see, I'm gonna pull this down. Like -20. If it goes -25, I'm gonna just get out. Oh, new 5-minute candle open. New 5-minute candle open. Pushing quick. It's getting to that blue line. Oh no, it just got to that blue line. It's going to make a bottom wick potentially. The stop loss is all the way down here. So I just got my stop at like negative 20. Yeah, negative 22. So if it gets me out, it just get me out. Yeah, like I said, this could be just making a bottom wick to continue up, but I'm just not going to sit in it just because I'm going to reassess if it does get me to like negative 25 or so.
Order
All right,
Stop
cool.
filled.
All good, all good. I just took a minus 25, so no big deal. Like I said, I seen like 12, but it just was so damn fast. I couldn't really do much. So now I'm waiting on a closure below probably this support that it rejected out of, because at the end of the day, that was a top wick. It did give like, bro, these are moving so damn fast. It gave like 16, 17. In Antonio's world, that would have worked, but me, it's all good. So minus 20 on the day for that. So now I'm just looking for one little move. Look at that. Bruh, minus 13. Just from that, minus 25, bro. It's crazy. Crazy. It's all good. Sonya, you took a micro or you just sat it out?
No, I just sat it out.
Good. Lucky you. Like I said, it's funny because over here I was looking at plus 15, and over here I was looking at plus 12 because it slipped me on the entry. Bro, it's so hard to manage these. It's hard, bro.
I was just thinking once that new 5-minute opened up.
Yes, you know it. You know it.
I was
You already
thinking,
know. And then it got right. It broke this high, shot up about 10, came right up into this little area right here. Bruh. So ass. But I get it back though. I get it back. But and then it's because all this was doing is making a bottom wick. If this starts breaking this high again, or if it even closes above somewhere up in here or up in here, it's likely gonna go up just after rejecting out of here again. But I probably would just wait on a 15-minute candle at that point, because the support is right, the resistance is right there. So closure back above here or here will be good. I'm wondering even like a 15-minute candle closure like this wouldn't be bad to fill this out. Like I ain't really too much worried about this for this. I'm looking at the most recent. And it came right into it. Right there. I was 6 pips away from just being my day, man. 6 pips, Tonio. 6. You see what that does, bro? Let me see something real quick. So minus 8. Oh, on a 3, that's good. That 5-minute making that low. Just couldn't sit in that shit, bro. A 60 pip bottom wick. Nah. I'm good. I'm good. My direction be right. Let's see, 4122.9. Hmm. 5 minutes. Coming down, feeling this. Let's see what this 15-minute candle looks like in 4 minutes. Because if this leaves a entry like on a break of this low, I would definitely take this big fill down on the 15-minute time frame. But if it closes weak, bearish, or bullish, it's so crazy, Tonio, that I got to keep that little 5 minute in mind.
Yeah,
I was, bro.
Once it opened, it literally opened as soon as you got in here.
Yes, so I got in at 57, or no, 45, 359.
Mm-hmm.
So I sat in it for 10, 15 seconds, and then it opened. But I'm gonna get that back. Like I said, it's annoying because I've seen this move and I had this move, but it just rejected on me a couple times. It's all good. Oh, it's all good. All good. Just got to stick to my roots of my seeing my 20, 22, 23, 24. Just calling it. But like I said, I'm only down 20. But what I was doing like last week, if I was took a minus 20, and my crazy ass would get in on a lot up, and then smack for more. Oh man, it was crazy. So like I'm down like negative 25 pips over here. If I took a 2 for positive 25 pips, I would be plus 500 plus. But if you take a loss though, it's a nasty day. But it's interesting operating off a TRADECOPIA because you see like where you got out. Like I got out right there, and this is coming back up. So I'm wondering if there's a reason we got right to there and like started rejecting. And then usually price goes a little bit beyond where bullshit. Usually price goes a little bit beyond where you expect it to. Not today. Not today. I took my little minus 25. It should go. Like I said, I'll be right about the direction, just depending on that entry and can you withstand them pullbacks, like Melinda said.
Always right about direction.
You know the direction. It's just like, are you trying to sit in minus 60, try to catch 25, 30, and I ain't. Because it's rejecting right out of this resistance right here. If it can close back above here at 930, I'll take it. It closes, even if it closes technically like this, it should go up. But I'd rather be safer than sorry and wait on the closing back above here. What'd you say? That just annoyed me. 5 seconds. Gave 30 pips where my entry was. I might try my hand. It's rejecting out of here, which is what I identified right here. Damn, bro. Tonio, man. When am I gonna go low on my wrist just to be able to catch these? Not care about the pullbacks. It'll come a day. All right, if I get in this, I need a bottom wick to give me my stop loss. The technical bottom wick in this instance will be all the way down here. So I need a bottom wick. 8 seconds. Damn. 4 seconds. No top wick. Alrighty then.
I promise you, I just flattened it at 41.25. I was going to get in. I was like, nah, I'm going to let it go.
Nah. It don't look bad. It still don't look bad. But we had no top wick, no bottom wick. Jesus. What'd I say, Tonio? Simple. Simple. I ain't even mark my trades up today yet.
Damn, it did feel that week. That's crazy. Okay.
Another direction. You know the direction. You just kind of got to find it. No top wick is crazy. Let me go ahead and mark up the first trade. The first trade was... I hate that I had to squeeze it out of here. Let's see. Oh, let's see.
So I have a question for you.
Yes.
So is it possible, because it looks like when the candlestick opens, it's wicking up. It goes up first and then it starts to go down. So is there a way to, like, if you're at a level, it goes up and touch that level to maybe set it to put you in at that price when it wicks up?
Yeah, there is. So if you anticipate that it were to get right here, you can press sell limit. So limit will get you on a limit, and then you expect it to come down from that area. So yes, that's what that is. That's
okay.
What that is. But you just, at that point, you would have to figure out where you're gonna put a stop loss. So say I have a sell limit right there, you just gonna where would you put a stop loss at? That's the hard part about it sometimes. Or say you had it right here, like where are you gonna put a stop loss at? Maybe all the way under here. You just kind of got to deal with where to get out more than anything. But there's, sell limit.
Okay. Gotcha.
Versus buy limit.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So let's see. Price gave a 50 pip top wick, came down to re-break its own low, saw negative 20 fairly quickly. Price came back in profits, plus 24, then negative 20, then plus 24. Then I decided to cut it at plus 5 and reassess. That was like a fake out. Hell, both were fake outs. And then let's see. I'll go to the biggest one. Oh my goodness. There you go. Sell limit. Anticipating that it come down after getting you in. Yeah, this is crazy today. Crazy volume. In a good way though. So, and you know what's so funny, Tonio? How I be having to mark up these trades after it plays out on a loss. I'll be like, I just had to take minus 25. Let's see. Had to take minus 20. Well, saw, I can say it again, saw plus 15 after 5-minute candle, after new 5-minute candle opened, new 5-minute candle gave a 60 pip bottom wick, and I could not withstand that pullback, so I cut it minus. move while up playing out after. Cool. So yeah, it's all good. All good. So Tony, this is the same move as the from right here. We got a top with, but anticipating it to come down into here. This 1 hour support. I'm not trying to confuse myself. That's what I'm not gonna do. Wait, Brandon, didn't you say plus 1100? Man, there you go. All that a day. Boy, Brandon had a little eat session. We can close bearish under here. I'll take this one. But if it starts closing bullish on any time frames, it gets a little tough. A little. 9:23. We got 7 minutes. Yes, sir. That's what it's all about. Antonio still trying to get that 60. What's your balance at now, bro?
$25,727.84.
Must be nice. I feel like a little bad kid. You say, bro, you see 24?
Hey.
He said, you see, he said, I don't care about what you do on them accounts, the pre-live. But like,
Yeah.
it's actually opposite for me. I don't really care what happens on this account. I'm worried about them accounts because those are the accounts that make the 20 grand, the 25 grand, the 30 grand. Not
But
this.
this one not connected to TRADECOPIA.
No, it's not.
Right?
So I'll be that's why I'm saying I click exit on these and I click exit on these. So I have to like focus on these more for real. Like I choose to at least. So let's see. Because if this 30-minute close is back below this with this range right there, with all these wicks to fill,
I got that marked up.
15-minute closing under this again. I'm taking that at 9:30 for sure. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do.
I already told you what the name of this pre-live account was, bro. You tripping?
What's that?
Wifey dinner money. Okay.
Oh yeah, man. Because who mad about 240?
Yeah, you playing around.
My bad. Yeah, bro, you definitely right. Definitely right. And I like it. I like it because I like how
screens you got, James. 2
screens. Yeah, 2
screens. Yeah.
And I don't want to force nothing, but I really think this is about to come down based off of the 15-minute price action, the 15-minute resistance just being formulated. I really don't want to buy into or sell into a support, but even if you look at this, the volume should take you down into here at 930. So we'll see. I'm gonna be right back.
Question for you, James.
Yes, sir.
So I'm watching this slap that your yellow support. Like
Yes,
it keeps
sir.
hitting it and respects it and bounces right back up to your what's that? Your purple resistance. Actually, it's a little bit lower than that, like 124.
Okay.
Yeah, 41.24. Is that ever a play or something like we see it keep hitting that that's a resistance? Excuse me, that support.
Yeah, I mean, technically yes, but it's just like on the off chance it does keep going, you just got to cut it real quick.
Right.
Because it did it. Let's see, this time, then went ahead and made the move. So like you just kind of got to understand when to cut it and how to cut it and things of that nature. But yeah, I mean, you just caught it right there, that quick. That was 1 minute.
I'm just saying within that 15-minute candle, within like probably since you walked away from the desk, man, it hit the support 3 times and jumped right back up.
Nah, it's crazy. It definitely will do it now. It definitely will do it. I'm wondering what this 930 play is looking like. Let's see, 45 seconds for this closure. 30-minute candle about to potentially close back above this support right here. 15-minute candle is about to close weak bearish after respecting this 3 times. 5-minute candle is about 15-minute candle might close bullish. Let's see. I'll see depending on how my bottom wick looks like, potentially. Because I think it'll at least come up into like here, right there, where it rejected out of a couple times. Use like the 5-minute entry, not really worried about a 5-minute resistance right there. So let's just see, because if it closes below, let's see, right at it. I'm gonna actually move my resistance now. I got a closure above this now, which is the same resistance right here. I would anticipate at 9:30 that it can go ahead and get moving. If it just starts keeps respecting this little area, then anticipating this to come here, which is right here, and then move everything down a little bit. So. You gonna try your hand if it gets back down there, Jamal?
Promise you, I just accidentally hit the wrong button. I'm done for the day.
What happened?
I tapped buy one market.
And when it was selling.
Yeah. Yeah.
All good.
Yeah, I'm tripping.
Sell was there though. Like
Yeah.
You
I
know.
wasn't trying to make a move at all. Actually, I just touched the pad, man.
Yeah.
I'm blowed. I'm down, but I'll fight tomorrow, man. I can't even look at it no more.
Yeah, I get it. Hell, I'm down today too. After calling out 2 positions that went correctly. So I get it. Trust me, I get it. And now I'm just kind of waiting on a closure above this area at 9:45 potentially. Taking it on up. And in this instance, Brandon, this is an instance in where I potentially would get in on the 5-minute after grabbing this liquidity to the downside. This candle closing above with nothing in the way. With 9:30 on my side, I potentially would. It's always a feel thing. It's no right or wrong to it, but you just gotta understand it. Like if this candle, which is the 1 hour still potentially coming up, if this candle were to close the 5-minute above this resistance with nothing in the way right here, I would be okay taking a 5-minute entry if I did get somewhat of a bottom wick, because I can't really use, well, I can, but that's 100 pips on a 5-minute candle. And look at that, Jamal, again, same area.
Yeah.
Same area. Crazy. So that's why price is kind of telling me, like, you want to really buy out of these, like the way we have all these other times. But I got to close above.
I was feeling the buy, but I was trying to set it higher. You know what I'm saying? He said 140, 4130 at least.
Sell limit or
buy limit.
Buy.
I anticipated going up, but yeah, like I said, I hit the wrong button at the wrong time.
Like I said, I'm still here for no dang reason right now. Shout out Antonio. Ass, but it's all good. I think that this is about to go ahead and squeeze between here and here, which is a 50 pip range if it goes ahead and closes above it. Especially with this 4-hour candle still open, not breaking these lows, still trying to make its way up. Let's see, 1 minute for this 5-minute closure. If it just closes like this, and I'm chilling. But it obviously keeps rejecting out of here for a reason. This is crazy. We just hanging out, huh? That's so crazy how you can like literally just sit in this 5-minute range and just keep playing it. Like wick up, take it down into here, wick down, take it up, over and over. Seconds. I may do something off of the 5 minute, maybe.
What you looking at?
Running, huh?
So what you looking at?
5-minute closure outside the range, but if it just keeps on pushing up, because I mean.
Did we freeze up?
Yeah, I'm frozen. I think James just froze.
Quarterback Antonio.
Can you hear me still?
Yo.
Yep,
All
you
right.
bet.
All right. Cool. Ooh, price pushed. If I can get a down wick, I may consider it just because of the 5-minute closing outside this range right here. But if it just
Yeah.
keeps on running up, nah. Because like there's nothing in the way for real. That's why I just running. And it just filled this wick. Damn, bro. That's so annoying. But it's still plenty of room to go because even if it closed, say above like here at 9:45, You still got really all this. Like I'm anticipating all this to get filled. So it'd be more ideal if I could have closed closer to this resistance right here. But like I put this line just because of this. But like with volume, it should just get going. Hopefully a closure above that would be nice, but it's not imperative. And so let's see. And I ain't even forcing nothing. I'm just going off a 930 price action, 930 candle price action. Yeah. So at 9:45, I want a bottom wick. Y'all know the drill. So once again, I'll be back. Just gonna keep this is gonna keep pushing on. Need a bottom wick. Need a bottom wick. Need a top wick and a bottom wick. These 930 candles are crazy though. It's still 60 pips of range to going up. Like I'm not, even if you look like down here, it's still range going up. So I ain't worried about that part. I'm just trying to make sure I have a bottom wick. 57 seconds. No top wick, no entry. Because that usually means there's not much range to continue to the upside. Come on, man. Leave something. 30 seconds. I would either use the break of this high or the re-break of the current candle if it opens straight down. So I'm looking for a retest at least into this little area right here. At least, which is a support. I want to come down, make a little bit of a bottom wick. 5 seconds. Let's see. So it's going to come up. So likely using this high now. No wick or no bottom wick. Man, Tony, I can't win. Need a bottom wick. Bruh, straight opened up. Get that out the way. Look at these 5-minute candles. This is wild. Okay. That's still not bad, though. If it can come back and make a bottom wick, it's not much of a difference in the entry on the break of this low or this high, sorry, as it is on the re-break of its own high, if it can come down and make a bottom wick. If. It's a big if. I want to say, did we just flip on the... Ooh. So now if it came down and made a bottom wick and re-breaks its own high after making said bottom wick, it might not be bad. All right, I'm going to try that. Oh. So a re-break of its own high after coming down, making a top wick, coming down, making a bottom wick, and then coming back up and re-breaking its own high after retesting this little area right here. And if it doesn't do that, then I don't know. We'll see.
If it doesn't do that.
I don't know. But this is all I'm doing. All I'm anticipating in this instance is it's just, ooh, it could be coming out of here though. Hmm. Could be rejecting out of here. Because the daily keeps on pushing back up. But am I catching it too late on the push? After the 15-minute close outside of the range, came down, grabbed the bottom wick. It could be rejecting out of here, I will say. But I think after the 15-minute went ahead and closed outside of this range with this remaining, I think it still got room to go up. And that's 38. You're anticipating that when it re-breaks its high after grabbing that liquidity to the downside, retesting this, that should give 20, 25. So, guess I'll see. I guess I'll see. But that's so crazy how far these are away. Like this is still 40 pips away from entry, and it looked like it's not. It looks so close.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that.
I really didn't even mean to do that. That's the crazy part.
I should have been out of this. I should have been off this chart an hour ago. An hour ago. You know what I'm thinking though? Is about that. Well, what I'm really thinking is I think this is about to keep going down, especially if it break this low, and just keep making its way on down and down and down. If it respects this, yes. Or no. But if it closes back under this, look what it did here. Look what it did here. Down, down. So I'm gonna delete this, and don't be surprised if I'm quick on it on the entry. Let's see, 13 seconds. I'm still chilling though. I'm still chilling. I got both ideas, so no. All right, I'm gonna re-add this. Now the new 5-minute candle is about to open, which is a
Impulse
reflip
entry.
on a 15. The break of this current candle high,
Okay.
potentially. Because it's 15-minute candle closed outside this range. I'm anticipating it to at least come up to here, but probably go ahead and fill out the rest of it. 930 volume. It already broke up. Came down to make a bottom wick. If it came back up and rebroke its own high after grabbing all this liquidity, I would think that it just go ahead and go. But if we start breaking back down like this, then nah. So there goes that break where I was thinking about taking something if it closed below. Then if it breaks this, it should go again some more. But like I said, I don't want to jump the gun, but I don't want to turn one little small loss into a bad day. Ain't no point. I'm on a 5 minute, by the way. Like, bro, it gives so easily when I'm just looking at that shit. So now, because now, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Huh. Because now I'm looking at another idea, or I just keep looking at all the ideas. Like even if this 1 hour candle closed bullish, the 4 hour candle is going to close bearish, potentially under here, and the 15 minute candle is rejecting out of here. And if it left room into there, that's still range to come down. But that would take a closure in 8 minutes 11 seconds. Shoulda had my little sell stop on the break of this. Shoulda. Ooh. Part of me wanted to jump this gun and get it on that 5 minute. But we'll see. 5 minute closure below here, because that's where I was targeting, just the bottom of here as well. Nothing crazy. But so if it closed below there, next stop would be either right there or down here. But likely wait on the 15, which is the hour, 4 hour, 30 minute, etc. Thank you. I'm looking at these people saying I'm out from the live stream, Antonio. Must be nice, bro. Y'all just chilling. Say you tad 24. Should know I can get that like the back of my hand, huh?
Yeah.
Mm. Mm. Like one 5 minute candle falling 87 pips. Let me see if I can get my little 5 minute bag. We'll see. We will certainly see. Closure below here. Anticipating to come down into here. But let's see. Let's see. I'm not gonna get in with no 5 minute top wick. That's what I'm not gonna do. No, sir. Especially this close to the end of a 1 hour candle. But of course. I'm gonna probably look at one more idea, Antonio, before I call it today, which is the 15-minute sell down into support after closing below everything again. If I don't get that, no. But I definitely appreciate you sticking around for your boy, watching me suffer. Oh, he ain't got his headphones on. Well, WWTD. Well, I got 15 more minutes. Take that little small loss on the chin. It's small in relevance. It's 22 accounts, so it's relevant, I guess. But it just be annoying when you let yeah, I mean, I ain't really do nothing wrong, I don't guess. Took the I guess that second trade could went stop loss or break even after 15. I don't know. Or waited, not took it when it was that close to the 5-minute close. Maybe that. There might be a little entry though on the rebreak of this high. Trying to make his little way up again. 30-minute closing back above everything. 15-minute closing very weak, bearish potentially. I identified this off of the 15-minute, this support right here. Oof, that's not bad on a break of that high right there. After grabbing all that liquidity to the downside. Yeah, facts. Facts, facts, facts. Look at the 5-minute candle. Creating a new 5-minute support. You can either use a 5-minute as an entry or the break of this high as an entry, but I would like to use a 5-minute as an entry just because it's a 40 pip difference. Just to get in up here, it had to push up 35.40. Let me see. I may take it though. I would like this candle to close above, but it's not 100% necessary. Just based off of the price action of a weak 15-minute bullish closure, 30-minute closing like that, 1 hour closing like that, 4 hour rejecting out of this support. So it technically closed like right below, but let me see. Anticipating that volume after re-breaking this high. Damn, I don't want to take no loss after 52 pips just to get in that bitch. All right, I'm gonna have it set just in case. But that is as volume. Re-break of the previous candle high. which is 30 minute, which is the 15-minute weak bearish 15-minute right there. Anticipating that. Oh my God. I seen 10, seen 15. Oof. Can't even do nothing.
It's pushing.
Yeah. I hope it's pushing at least. Oh, gotta play my theme music. Come on, man. Please. I got in a worse entry over here by 5 pips again. It's crazy. And if it gets me, I just got to use this 5-minute low as my stop loss. That's the only thing I can do. I ain't going to cut it just yet. Come on, man. Push up for me. I seen like 15 again. Oh, my God. 4139.7.
Y'all have a good day. I'm good.
That's it.
I'm unplugging my computer. I'm turning off the electricity. I'm done.
I'm still in. Damn. Come on, bro. What's going on? Bro, I seen 15 shooting profit.
I saw it too.
Wow. That's so crazy to me. I mean, hopefully I get saved, but damn. I shouldn't have to get saved. All right. I'm still in. Back close, 10 down, 5 down. Come on, man. Please.
Yeah, I got to mitigate risk, man. If I see negative 30 on the trade, I'm done.
I couldn't even do nothing because it happened so fast.
Right. So I'm about to bounce back, though.
I mean, I might. Shit. Like I said, I got a 5 pip better entry over here. Come on now. Don't do me like this. And that 30 comes so fast. You can't even do nothing.
But I'm cool with that, though. I'm cool with that.
Bro. Like, please, can I have some fortune on my side today? I mean, damn.
There you go.
Like I said, I ain't even looking over here. I'm looking at negative over here like crazy. Come on now. What you doing? Let me start my song over. Word to James. And that's annoying when you're taking a loss for nothing.
Saw 16, 14, 15.
I'm telling you, I ain't looking at that. I'm trying to revive these prop accounts. All right, I'm back positive on the day.
19.
It's 15 again. Keep me posted. I'm looking over here. Damn, come on, man. I ain't even gotten to 20 on a. Come on now. If it re-breaks, I'm going to probably take it.
22, 24, 25.
All right. 25, you said?
Yeah, that's the highest you saw.
Okay. Come on.
Playing around 16 and 19.
All right. Oh, my God. Bro. Come on, man. I think it's going to finish, but damn. Yeah, this is wild. Let me restart my song again. All right, 5-minute candle 5-minute candle closing now. Just open, made a bottom wick. And it closed above here. Has no reason to come down into here now. Should go ahead and fill this wick on out right up into there. And should honestly go ahead and finish the move out. Keep me posted again, please, Tonio.
I'm revenge trading. I'm out. I can't look at this. I gotta go.
Bro.
I can't look at it. Oh, 31. No.
30,
you said down 31? Oh my God.
God bless you.
28.
Bro,
31.
wait. What?
Yeah, bro.
Oh my God. Bro, no
34,
way. No way. Bro, come on. And then I can't even do nothing. Because if I move it back, it's just going to make a bigger bottom wick. Oh my God, bro. Come on. Forex guys, futures guys, save me again. This has been a day and a half. Oh my Tonyo, what's wrong with me, bro? I'm stuck.
Keep talking about what's wrong with me.
What's wrong, bro? Damn. I can't move my stop loss back. I can, but I can't do it. If I lost that, then that's just it. I'm calling it a day, like Jamal said. Because what's about to happen is it's about to go down if it flips because it just broke that high. But damn. Come on. Damn, I want to move this stop loss back. Yep, I'm out. I'm out. That's it. That's my day.
It was a splendid day, fellas, ladies.
Peace
Y'all have a
out.
wonderful time.
Tonio, I seen 25 2 times and didn't do nothing about it.
Same here. Same here. And what I realized yesterday, and I
Oh
forgot
my
about today,
God,
was
bro.
that
Let me see this shit.
trading at ones, you got to take them 25s.
Wow.
Man, hey.
Wow.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
I'm looking at my account. I don't know why these didn't copy. Oh shit. Oh no, I'm good. I'm good. Ooh, I was about to say, I'm looking at something over here. I'm like, wait, what's going on? But my trades didn't even. Damn. Hmm. Okay then. Tonio, that was a good lesson learned today, sir.
Bro,
I got
man.
paralyzed. I got paralyzed. And I can be the first to admit it. I got
I
paralyzed.
mean, bro, hindsight is always 2020.
It's always
It's
2020.
always
You
gonna
think you're
look
gonna
good
get
to
what you
take that.
get.
Bro, it's always gonna look good to take that 25, especially after you, man, hey. But
Bro, again. And you know what's ass? It's about to be back at my entry point. Damn. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be
man,
my day. I don't want to do nothing else. Damn. Hmm. All good. All good. I'll bounce back, but I mean, Jesus Christ. I just gotta reassess on what I'm trying to do with these 1380s. Because I still got a lot of drawdown. Thankfully, I got these 150Ks. So I
Brandon
got a lot of
said you
room.
managing these days better than me.
It is what it is. But bro, and that's why I'd be mad about because that 5 minute would just be a liquidity grab to the downside to continue up. Damn, bro. Fuck.
Man,
He says 25, 30. I said minus 30.
yeah, bro. You got down there
Yeah, let me
quick
call it
too.
before I do something stupid. And like I said, for whatever reason, damn. Well, I just set myself back like I just set
Don't
myself back like a week.
yeah, don't make it a nasty day, bro, please.
Yeah, nah. I just set myself back to keep my consistency. I just set myself back like a week. Yeah, nah. And like you said, don't make it too nasty. That's so annoying because it's 5 minutes. All it's doing is flipping to come back up. Bro, that was my entry right here.
Yeah.
Grabbing liquidity,
41.45.
continue up. 41.45. No top wick on a 5 minute. Damn.
Man, hey.
Mm.
Yeah,
And
goodbye. I'm done.
there it is right
I
there.
can't look at this no more. Yeah, I'm logging out. We're done.
Well, damn.
Yep.
Damn.
Call to play just a little too early. That's all.
Or should have just took what I had on the table. Like Tonio be telling me to do every fucking time.
No, but it's still that drawback for me. Like I said, once it's dropped down 30 pips, I'm out. I don't care what it is. Mm-mm.
That's probably what I got to get back to retain. 41.45, Antonio, 41.50.
I already, man, I told you if you gonna do what you doing, like what you
I
trying to
have
do,
to take it. I
bro,
gotta
you
take it.
gotta if you gotta trade 1-to-1, bro. I told you
You
that.
have to. You got to because like I said, I set myself like
You
if I'm gonna
bro,
sit in 50, I gotta take 50.
yes, you gotta take 50.
But if you
You
gonna
can't
sit in, if you
you
want to
can't
take 20 to
expect
25,
30 and lose 50. You can't want 30 and lose 50.
yeah, like Jamal said, like even 30 be too much. For real, for real. Even 30 is too
Bro,
much.
30 on a 1 is a
On a
lot,
one,
bro.
exactly. That's the thing on a one. See, last couple of weeks I've been trading at twos and fives, and it's like, okay, I'm gonna see, you know what I'm saying? It's tripling and doubling. But now on a one, that 25 look good. You know what I mean? So
I
especially when you
mean,
know what I'm saying,
I
you just took a payout.
And
I
then
don't
then
know,
this
bro.
one the price action be so good. Like, bro, I be calling them, and that's why I can't waver from. I be calling the moves. So I can't act like I don't do that. Like,
Yeah,
so
you
that's
do.
fine. You know what I'm saying? But it's just like, you know what, and you know what be messing me up a little bit? My entry over here was 41.45. My entry over here was 41.5. So what I be seeing over
Mm,
here, I be seeing lesser pips
yeah,
wise
right,
than there. And then the
right.
same is the case with the first trade. I saw lesser over here. It was, yeah. So I saw lesser over here. I got slipped by 4 pips again on that. So I think that that's kind of throwing me off a little bit. But like you said, bro, I'm about to just get back to just 25, 25. Yeah.
I mean, with your personality type, you can. I mean, can't sit in the trade that long. So 30 on a 1 for me is a long time, bro.
Because it's
Unless,
usually giving it, but like if you want to really be 100, it's like it'll give 25, come down, give like, and then give the real move. So you gotta, if I'm gonna trade like that, I gotta trade like ones max
yeah, I'm not built like that.
to because damn. Like I said, I ain't mad. I mean, I'm still in profits on all accounts. For some reason, I don't know why, but my trades did not copy over on some of my accounts in a good way. It's a good thing this time around. But man, mm, trade to buy, lucid trading, 4,000. Okay, well, like I said, back to the drawing board. Because then you know what's so ass about the Tradeify accounts? I can only make 900 to keep my consistency at 4,500. So now it's like, bro, I just lost like 4 on each account. So at that point, it's
Man,
like I set myself back a week. Unless I want to just go for the like just start making whatever again and hitting whatever. Okay. All good. Like I said, just gotta get to the drawing board again. And just kind of see what I'm trying to do. But say less. Well, all right. I'm gonna chill out, go eat a little bit of food, and then I'm gonna be back on tomorrow though. I'm still, like I said, I'm straight. It's just ass. Like the result is ass. The result sucks. But the trades were good again. Simple
yes, sir.
15-minute re-break of high, anticipating it to come up into here, came close to it, came back down out of my entry at 41.45 to grab a 70 pip bottom wick right there, 80 pip bottom wick. I can't sit in that to go ahead and finish off and make the move for 80. And like Tonio said, if I'm going to sit in it one way, I got to sit in it the other way. So all good. I'll be back on tomorrow, same time. Catch y'all
Yes,
tomorrow.
sir.
All right.
Peace out.
Be easy. Wait, was my screen not sharing this whole time?
Nah, yes, sir, been here.
Oh, my. Okay. Cool. All right. See y'all. See
All
y'all
right.
tomorrow.